Kimberly is making a cake.
11,
She's
17.
making a cake. Shouldn't you be working? Shouldn't you be doing the government's job?
It is 11, 17.
Oh, 11, 17, so you're not doing this on business hours.
PM.
You know, one of the things I often forget is how amazing my wife is. I don't know why. But then she makes a cake. Look at that cake. Sonic the Hedgehog. That is amazing. What are we doing today? We're doing number 10?
No.
Come down with 1. Not. And then you say the number 10. Very good, Ian. Wait now, all your steps handling, boy?
Yeah,
Don't make sure.
just temporary.
All you need to see, boy. What the hell is jamming up, boy? Yeah, let's come over there.
Hey boy, thank you, buddy. Watch her now. God.
Clean, boy. Clean.
Yeah, man. Pull out
Yeah.
up the front.
Hey, Kristoff.
Hey, watch her. You see hot sun? Boy, mauby. Yeah, no sweet bread.
Sweet bread?
Yeah.
It was a pala, bro.
No, but mauby. Usually people who are mauby, when you go buy people long time and they get a glass of mauby, it's a piece of sweet bread after, you know?
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on, let's hear this. Hold on.
Sweet bread?
Hey, I feel you need a chair, boy. Let me bring that chair for you. Hold on.
You was getting by this one.
So why workmen can sit down in style?
That's more be nice.
Hey, Lyndon.
Steps looking real good, boy, son.
Yeah,
They're doing
yeah,
a real
look.
nice work.
Hey, let me that slippers now.
But are you using this slipper while you're mad, man?
No, but I really my slipper in Lyndon.
Why are you using this slipper while
You have a shoes. You have a shoes on that next side of the house. They're about 3 days now. Let me go and get that for you. And
No, you go and get the shoes for yourself. I come down here wearing this. You leave this by me. You can't be telling me you want this slipper. You're mad, man. What's all them notes on the wall there?
Hey. But you cannot style my workmen. Eh? People here must make your staff comfortable. Yes, I know it has some staff here, so to treat them nice and they would here. But let me tell you something. Boy, treat your staff nice, boy. What that chair that man sitting on, Boy, that looking like you come out of Buckingham Palace.